Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Best Buy rewards card, follow this quick guide to start earning points and enjoying exclusive member benefits on your purchases. Step 1. Visit your nearest Best Buy store or go to the Best Buy website. You can activate your card either in person at the customer service desk or online through your Best Buy account. Step 2. If activating in store, approach a customer service representative or cashier with your rewards card and a valid photo ID. They will assist you with the activation process at the register. Step 3. For online activation, log in to your Best Buy account at bestbuy.com using your email address and password. If you don't have an online account, create one using the same email linked to your rewards card. Step 4. Navigate to the account or rewards section of your Best Buy profile. Look for an option that says Activate Rewards Card or Link Rewards Card. Step 5. Enter your rewards card number, which is typically a 16-digit number found on the front of your card. Double-check that you've entered the number correctly. Step 6. Provide any additional information requested, such as your zip code, phone number, or email address to verify your identity and link the card to your account. Step 7. Review the Best Buy Rewards program terms and conditions, then confirm your activation by clicking Activate or Submit. You should see a confirmation message on the screen. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Best Buy, verifying that your rewards card has been successfully activated. You can now start earning points on all eligible purchases at Best Buy stores and online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.